Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am opening up the new Final Fantasy cookbook. I hope you've had a chance to get it if you wanted it and you've had a look through it. Today we're going to do something pretty simple, but it's delicious, the alligator salad. To begin, we're going to get our red bell pepper, cut it into quarters and stick it in the oven to roast. While that's in the oven, we are going to cut up our avocado. It's just one into somewhat large chunks. I think I did small ones here. Lovely, and then we need to weigh out and cut up 85 grams of blue cheese, or 3 ounces. I've used Shropshire blue cheese just to have something that's a bit of a different colour, a bit more vibrant. Obviously, use whatever blue cheese you want. Lovely, and now the peppers have come out the oven and they've had a chance to cool down. Feel free to skin them if you wanted to. You're going to cut those into large chunks and add them to your salad mix. Also, adding to your salad mix, we are going to put 30 ml of olive oil, or 2 tablespoons, and then you're going to season it with salt and pepper. Lovely, and as a base to your salad, it's 57 grams or 2 ounces of, I think it's pronounced arugula. In England, it's rocket. Obviously, this has a bit more of a peppery, nutty kind of flavour to normal lettuce leaves that I've got there, so that would be a benefit to the salad. And then you're just going to dress it with a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Let me know what you think. As always, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.